Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to our 2023 first finished item. Yes, for the month of January 2023. I have knit this around, starting from top down, starting with 70 stitches, and then used up total of, well, less than 4 Lion brand scarfy yarn. As you see, I did tell at the beginning of the tutorial, I will pin the tutorial right on the comments, that I have bought 5 Lion Brand Scarfy yarn. So I ended up knitting the rest, which was left over, more than 6 feet long scarf. I just love how this sweater turned out. It's nice and cozy, it's warm, and I did play around with the needles. So I started with a 4mm knitting needle on the neck area, the collar area, and I did go up till 7. So I played around with the sleeves as well, and between 5 to 7mm knitting needles. So you guys enjoy the sweater and have fun. Happy knitting. Bye-bye.